let's say you want to learn how to code and you try this, and while trying this you get an error. Okay, like maybe while working on the project you get an error. Okay, and like you try again, you get an error. Try again, you keep getting error. Okay, let's put it this way. Okay, error, and like you try this way and you get a success, then like you finally get it right. Okay, so this is how learning, like this is what learning looks like. This is what programming looks like. Like you try this doesn't work. You try this doesn't work. You try this doesn't work. Maybe your first trial and it works. That is programming. Okay, that is how programming should be. Okay, and expert is defined by like how many times he has tried and how many times he has failed. Okay, so if you want to learn how to code, you have to have an experience of failure. Like if you've not failed, you can't learn how to code. Okay, if you've not made mistakes, you can't learn how to code. Okay, so mistakes are actually part of like becoming a better programmer. If you've never made a mistake as a programmer, you're not a good programmer. Except you've attained to a certain level of like prominence, and that is not possible without this phase. Okay, that is not possible without this phase. Every programmer must go through this phase. You must have a couple of failure. Okay, maybe you try this, maybe you're trying to build something like a project, maybe a website or so, like you try this. This is where learning happens. Okay, so this is where learning happens. Okay, this is where learning happens. I'm not here. Okay, you don't learn like maybe you don't really learn like when you have success in the project. You understand? You learn like maybe you face an error, and like in the process of like fixing it, in the process of like finding what is wrong with like your code, and like maybe I'm trying to like debug your code to find like errors. This is where the learning happens. Okay, like this. Okay, so the more